2017 Ram 1500. When the Dodge Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right, the Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, tow hitch, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, front and rear floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, bed liner, MP3 player, power door locks, passenger airbag, power windows, child safety locks, brake assist, intermittent wipers, rear head airbag. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.